Hello, hello. If you're watching this, that means you are watching the replay. So type hashtag replay and I'm just, what is it, like a mess today. I'm going to wait until few of you hop on and I'm going to wait until Kusma hops on too. So we are going to do today using the pearlizer and I have had what and all I'm going to do, but I think I need just my mirror along for my. I don't know whether I will do. Let's at least I will have it next to me. Hi Da, hi Bob. I will just keep everything under me. What I have. I will tell you what mess I did. Hello, hello, hello. Thank you for hopping on. I will put Kusma first. Hi Juhi, hi Veena, hi Akshara. Thank you. Thank you, Juhi.
Oh my God. I was telling Shobna, you'll be like, who is that Kusma who is doing the lives?
You know what I did? Just 2 minutes before hopping on, I dropped my iPhone and broke the glass.
Oh my God.
So, and not only that, immediately emergency call went and I hung
Cops,
up
huh?
and the police department called me back.
Shit.
So it is like I was in a mess today. So I was like, my phone is not working. I cannot do anything. So now, thankfully, Ram came back from outside. So I'm logging in his phone today.
Oh
So
my God.
you can see my face. It's all red because I was like, I couldn't hang up the 911 call. What should I do? So that's how
No,
it
you
is.
can
So
just
first,
explain them.
yeah. I told them, but no, it was all last minute. No, like I was taking the before picture and I dropped it immediately, and the screen, as usual, shattered within a second. So that's all. That's the today's news. Meanwhile, Kusuma, introduce yourself first.
Okay. Hi, guys. I'm Kusma. Um, so I'm super excited to
Most
do
of them
this.
know you.
Yeah, so I'm super excited to do this with Aarti. So let's see how this works out.
Can you put yours? Can you raise your chair? Where are you sitting? They should see your beautiful sari. But anyway, you will post a full picture. But Kusuma's sari was so pretty. See? So we matched actually today.
Yep.
Kusuma is recognized by her laugh. Hi, Abhita. Yes, of course.
Why don't I see the comments?
Why? It's not popping up.
I don't see any comments.
Say hi. Will you be able to type? Say hi. Put the center button and go out and do it. I mean, if you don't have a center button, go out and come back to the app. Don't log out and all. Just go back to your main screen and come back. Does it work? I think she went out. It froze. Let's wait. Hi, Vanita. Thank you so much for hopping on. Juhi, you should ask how much she got that sari for. Are you able to hear them? Who? Oh, you are not able to hear me, Vanita? What about everybody else? I was keep on talking the whole time. Oh, okay. I will invite you again. Where is your name? Yeah. Are you? Yeah. Okay, we can hear you. Yeah. Are you able to see now, Kusuma?
Yes.
Okay, good. So I have applied my silk already. So you're going to go ahead.
So what I do, I take like a little bit of the silk.
Yes.
Like this much.
Yes.
A little bit more.
I think the whole week I'm going to use this. Every day.
Yeah, that's how I used when you first gave me.
Yeah.
Uh,
Thank you, Veena. Thank you
this
for
will.
the information. Yes, and it smells so nice. I like the silk, the fragrance of the silk. It's really, really nice.
Yeah, I'm allergic to smells, but this one doesn't give me headache. Like I don't use perfumes.
Okay. This, yeah.
So this one doesn't give me headache.
Yes, and main thing is it is non-comedogenic, so that's why we won't break out actually. So that's the good thing. So Kusuma, you are going to mix it with your foundation, or how are you going to do?
So I'm gonna mix the pearlizer with the foundation.
You use tan,
and then
right?
Yes.
Mine is pecan. So mine is a little bit darker than Kusuma's. So I will mix mine. You can also do, what you can do is, you can do pearlizer all over your face, and then you can do the foundation too. If you want. I'm not able to hear you. Vanita, you need to go out and come. I think only you are not able to hear, or check your speaker. So you can also, there are tons of ways for you to use the pearlizer. You can either, maybe I will do that way. Like I will apply the pearlizer all over. You can mix with the daytime moisturizer. You can, I'm doing just the pearlizer first to show how much it covers. And then I'm going to go over the foundation. That way I will have like a subtle glow. Whereas Kusuma is going to be the center of attraction for today.
I told Shobna, you can't recognize me tomorrow. You'll be like, who is this Kusma and who is this girl doing in the live?
Hi, Kavita.
Hi, Kavita. I can't see.
Shobna, somebody who has her number, can somebody message her saying that I think only she can't hear, or type, Vanita, you can't hear it. So now you can see it is just with pearlizer. I didn't even add foundation. So if you're someone who doesn't even like foundation, you can still use this as a full coverage too. Like you can just have the glow, or you can always add it with your, your body lotion, your shea butter, so that you can even apply it here, or if you're using like a sleeveless dress and all, you can apply anywhere actually. So now I'm going to go with the foundation. So here I have half of it, and I'm going to go over. Kusuma, did you finish? Did I interrupt you? You didn't finish, right?
No, I just mixed both on
no,
my
not
hand.
about this. Did you fully introduce yourself? As usual, I might have talked in between.
I did. But the sari I'm wearing is 200 rupees. I showed Aarti which one should I wear, but this is 200 rupees.
Underline the word 200 rupees. So whenever you guys are doing what is it, like a foundation, always press it so closer if you want like a full coverage. That's called stippling, and it's going to give full coverage actually. And all our foundations adjust 3 shades up and down. So that way, if you are tanning a little bit over summer or anywhere, it's going to adjust to your pH level. And always match your neck. That's another thing. Yeah. Kusma, you are done. What's the next one?
Yep. Concealer.
Okay.
So I use 2.
Yeah.
I use this one once I'm done with the eye makeup. I use this first. This is like Too Faced. It's not by Senegal, but I use Too Faced.
Yeah. You want to go ahead and use that? Yeah, use it. I'm just going to finish my foundation. Did anybody say anything? I didn't hear. No, Lakka, why? How come she alone not able to hear? So next thing is, if you want even extra glow, you can go back and add it as a highlighter at the end. I'm going to wait until Kusuma finishes her concealer. Today I'm not doing any concealer. I may do my blush. I think today we also got a question about color correcting. So I think Yuhi will always say like terracotta will work very well. This is a blush, but you can use it for color correcting because this is again an orange color. So orange again corrects darkness. So if you are looking to correct your under eyes, terracotta will work really well. And you can use it in multiple ways. That's what, like, you can use it for your color correction and then you can use it as a blush. So with Senegen's products, you will always use it in multiple ways. So that's another benefit of it. And even though this looks smaller, this will last you quite a while because this is how much you are going to use. And you can add powderizer to here too. Yeah. Today, Shalini was asking for color correction. So what I do is I dab it a bit, that way it gets spread here, and then I like to take it under my cheeks for my blush. So this is a very subtle brush because today she wanted to do the habanero, so I'm matching everything towards the habanero.
Then I do my eyebrows.
Okay, I already finished, so you can go ahead.
Okay.
I have used today, I have used the black brown pencil for my eyebrows.
And I think once we put the foundation, if we don't do our eyebrows, then the look will not add up. So it's so important to do your eyebrows after you put the foundation.
And for my eyes, I'm going to use a very subtle color called Pink Posy. So that's the shadow I'm going to use.
Okay, for my eyes, I'm gonna use this shimmer afterwards. This is what? Rose gold glitter. But I'm using Huda Beauty. Eyes, I'm using musk and amber.
Yeah, I have almost similar shade. That's why, like, I'm going to use this one first, and then I will top it off with the rose gold to match you. Yesterday I did copper, so today I'm doing rose gold to match you. If anyone looking for like a everyday shade, Pink Posy is such a pretty shade. It's not pink, it's not brown. So it's like how Bella is. It's like an in-between shade. Thank you, Anita. Thank you so much. Hope you can hear us now.
And this is like one tip that one of the famous makeup artists who does for Rihanna and top end makeup artist told me. So you take this blunt side and then you do a V.
Yeah.
You don't do like, you don't squeeze it here. You do a V here. So it'll expand your eye.
Yeah, I think yours is a little bit smaller, right? Like, I mean, your eye shape is a little smaller. So what I like to do is I like to take it a little bit outside. So that way when I look straight, because mine is a hooded eye, so that way you can still see the color.
What?
Jyoti is saying, oh my God, Rihanna, I'm here at the basic.
I can't see anyone's comments.
What? Oh, you are still not able to see? Oh, I'm your translator for today then. So it's a Shobna is saying, oh my, all Greek and Latin to me, Kusma, you are where level.
Shobna, I used to use all high-end brands foundation and it used to tan on me. So once Aarti sent me the samples, I used them and none of them tan on me. Like, they are exactly to my skin for like at least 8 hours.
Yeah, I mean, that's the beauty here. It picks your pH level and they will adjust to it. And all three of our foundations are non-comedogenic. So anyone who says that I will break out immediately when I use something like that. They can really has to give it a try. That's why I send the samples, because that way you will have an idea how it feels, and it's not oily at all. Because I have many clients who used to say that the foundation used to oxidize on them. So that way it is it's a game changer. Send us samples, please. Okay, sure, Jyoti.
Can I do the eyeliner?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so I usually do a wing liner.
I think I'm done. Did you do the rose gold too? I will just with quickly.
I did the rose gold and the shimmer.
If anyone doesn't have rose gold, they don't know how much they are missing on it.
I know.
It's such a pretty shade. I was so happy when they gave it free last week. Yeah, she is my personal designer now. What, Kusma?
Yep. But today I'm mad at Aarti.
Why?
I don't want to say for whatever you want.
See, I was like, I was so messy today, and I dropped my phone. I thought I will hold on to it for so long, and I broke it.
Then I do my mascara. My eyeliner is not Senegen's. It is Wet n Wild. It's Wet n Wild. I'm trying to add each one. Like I'm trying to get use each one of the products from Aarti, and I'm adding each one.
Yeah, Kusuma. That's what, like, sometimes we feel like Kusuma and myself know for so long. I think we both started only 2 months back or something. I get so nervous to do my eyeliner in live.
So I don't do the bottom eyeliner because my eyes will look so smaller. Yeah. So I do the mascara. No, I'm in Michigan. I do the mascara, so that adds like a line. So you don't need to do a eyeliner, otherwise my eye will look real.
Yeah. If you have very small eye, another tip is not to go, doing very thin line here and just starting here, because if you see, mine is a bigger eye, so that way I can do. But if you have a smaller eye, you can just start it here and just do the wing at the later part. Thank you, Jyoti. Kusuma only suggested this. Who is, see, today is National Puppy Day, and my puppy is doing all sort of things.
Okay, so once I'm done with the eyeliner, see, like if it's all wonky, what you do is you take the same color and then you just fix it, because none of us are perfect.
And they always say, even both bros are not what is it, like twins. They are brothers. Similar way, both your eyes are not similar. So one eye will be in a direction, and the other eye will be in another direction. So you don't have to exactly match it at any time. If you don't get it, don't worry. It's okay. It happens to everybody.
I think my eyes.
Yeah.
And And what I do with the pearlizer is, so I'll take the pearlizer again a little bit, and then I will do it here. I'll do on the bridge of the nose, and I do it here, and I do it here.
Yeah. I will just finish it up and catch up with Kusuma. Thank you for doing it. I know each one of you are busy during a weekday, but for my sake, you all agreed to do it in the evenings. I know how tiring a weekday evenings are. And thank you so much for everybody who makes sure that hop on and cheer on us every day.
So,
and Kusma, everybody is going to fight on the mask you showed.
those are so pretty.
I know.
That's why I was like,
I was
so again I go back and touch it up.
I was like, how come he's live? Because I was walking cloudy and I was like, why it says Alur Vastra is in live? He didn't say any live today. Then how come she's in live?
I got it, Aarti. I was trying to take pictures, and then they were like so ugly. So I was like, if I don't show them, then they'll not understand how pretty they are.
Yeah.
So that's why I started.
No, moreover, like sometimes these cameras cannot capture how pretty they are.
Anytime, Shobna. We just came to California. We drove, we travel a lot, me and my husband. We drove from Seattle to San Diego for a week.
When did you go?
From Seattle to San Diego, from up to the bottom, like down, we drove all the way, like to most of the places in California. If I knew all of these girls before, I would have like just met.
And you can always stop it here a bit.
That the
Cupid
here, yeah, Cupid,
and also here and near the eyebrows.
Yep. And what I do to make it pop is I use this another Huda Beauty one, and I use this one, and then like because I did the pearlizer, right, this will highlight it. So when I'm moving in the light, that's how you girls see the glow. So the pearlizer plus this makes it look so highlighted.
Yeah, that's what we all have to do. Like she will do top to bottom for us. First of all, she needs to understand and bring more pieces. That's what every week I'm struggling with her and telling her.
Okay. So this is done. Then can I do the blush, Aarti?
Yes.
Okay, so blush, what I do is, because ours are like tan skin, I just do like this. I just swap this all over, and that's how, and I take out the excess, and then I do the blush.
Yeah, she will say each and everything, even when I ask it. She's so, like a OCD person, she'll say everything.
Who?
You only. You are saying every minute details. I said, yeah. Whenever I ask her a question, she will always answer that way.
Why am I not seeing the comment?
How come you saw one alone, not in the middle?
Only once I'm seeing, and then it's gone.
Oh.
So Jyoti said, Soumya, too many things, and then it's gone.
Soumya, you have too many things. None, I have it.
So this is done, and then I'm doing habanero.
You are just doing habanero, right? Or you are doing
Oh,
layering?
I'm doing habanero, and on top of that, I'll do the gloss
Okay.
because I like Kavita's
Yeah.
gloss.
Yeah. I'm going to look down too because it will look so awkward if I look up because with this color.
And one more thing I noticed with these is like mine are like dried lips sometimes, and even with the dry lips, this will like just make it moist.
Yeah.
And what do you say, Aarti? Like,
Yeah. Kusumas, I think that's the first thing you tried, right? Lip Sense is the first one, right? Or the foundation is the first one.
no, lip sense is the first one. Then you send me sample.
Yeah.
Then I tried the foundation.
Yeah. So this is my first layer. Yeah. Habanero is like a pop of color, and her dress is exactly the same. Like, I mean, her sari has a bit where it is like a reddish orange actually.
So I use the same eyeliner for the bindi. That's it, right?
Yeah, yeah. So now you need to tell us the sneak peek of this Friday.
No, Aarti. No. So this is the sample. I really like the Kavita, so I'm using rose gloss.
Yeah. I am a glossy gloss fan all over. Like, Shobna, then I will be the line one first, okay? I will block everybody's comments and I will I will claim everything here itself.
Shobna, this week I have 44. I promise I have 44.
And she reserved them for you for your information. She's going to kill me. She'll be like, what, Kusuma? So if you are anyone who loves bright colors, then habanero will be like your go-to because such a pretty shade. That's why I kept mine everything else minimum because I wanted to what is it like pop the color. That's why I asked her to wear this saree too because she's wearing it with white with black, whereas I am wearing it with a black with white. In both cases, it will pop.
I really like it with the gloss.
Yeah. I mean, gloss, if you don't like the glossy finish, because I always get this question, like, because people always think it is like the store-bought glass where you have that sticky feel, or
Sticky.
it is like a sugary kind of, or what is it like it's not getting absorbed, instead it transfers. Here you will not have that feel at all. So sorry to make
That's
you
what I
annoyed.
asked you. Like, will it stick?
Yeah, it will not.
Because I hate that sticking.
No, it will not at all. So I am like basically I love glossy gloss because you can see the color as it is, whatever you are trying to see, and then on top, even if I'm doing a pigmented, I will mostly tend to do like a, for example, if I'm having a color like nude pink where I can top it with berry blast glass or something, then I always tend to do a gloss that is more gives the glossy finish. I'm not because I think most of them move from MAC or any those kind of brands. They all love that matte finish. Whereas I've never used MAC at all. So if you don't like the glossy feel, once you seal the color,
I
you
like it
can
like
wipe it off a bit. That way, it is not as glossy as you felt. So you will still have that glossiness, and it's going to moisturize the throat that your live or anything, but still at the same time, it's not going to be too glossy if you don't like it.
Okay.
You look like
Okay.
so cute, Kusuma, actually. Because we are always
Thank
you. In what to say, like your western wear and in your outfits. This sari gives you a completely new look, and with the put together bun and nicely what to say, like oxidized jewelry and everything.
Yeah.
So now who is going to take the picture of both of us? So anybody?
Thank you, Shobna. You saw how much dark circles I had before doing all of this?
Yeah. I mean, see, the main thing is it is not what to say, like something you cannot learn. I am a product of myself. 2 years back, if you have shown me any of these things, I would have hardly blinked my eye to do any of those. But it is like a learning. That's why I never force my customer saying that you need to buy like everything to get this look or something. And most of my looks will be like beginner friendly, because I know like uh, they don't want to have more than 4 or 5. So that is my aim is anytime whenever we put together a look, it will be less than 5 products or so. So hope you enjoyed this live, and you learned all Kusuma's secrets. How she's glowing in each live. See, she's still touching up.
No, I'm just using that gloss to touch up here
No,
so that
I'm
I don't
saying
want to
that's
waste
how
it.
she's still all what is it, like she stays 2 hours so fresh, because uh, so that's what we need to learn, right? That's why today's title itself I said you need to learn how Kusuma does it. They are frozen now. Who is frozen? No, I thought I was talking. Yeah, ready, Kusuma? They want you to smile.
Oh my.
Hopefully they took it. Why you're doing like a cartoon expression this side, that side? Like
Because I don't know. I feel like it's showing a little awkward. That's why I'm doing this way.
like you want to make sure that your right side, left side, everything has been taken
Ah.
off.
No, I feel like something awkward because of the hair or
At
something. It's
all, it
awkward.
looks so perfect. Like they want you to smile. What your husband is saying.
I'm moving. He's just saying.
Okay, then thank you so much, Kusuma. Thanks for joining and explaining it so patiently. So I hope everyone loved it, and we will post the full picture of Kusuma's saree now. And Kusuma is going to take a pre-order for the saree next week.
This saree, girls, is 200 rupees. Can you believe this? This is 200 rupees.
So you're selling it. So now we are auctioning it for it. So who is claiming it first? So that she will send it along with the Friday live. She will send the saree.
So Aarti was shocked when I showed the saree is 200
because that
rupees.
is actually one of my list. I even show you how many pictures I have shared. I mean, what is it, like I saved it so many times. So that's one of my favorite. That's why I immediately picked it, because mine is obviously full black and white, and yours is completely opposite. That's why.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, everyone, and thank you so much, Kusuma. Okay, we need
Bye,
the full
Aarti.
pictures. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Have a wonderful day, guys.
Yeah.
See you all.